This is Daria Shabbat with Corporate Profile reporting on the news for Friday, February 8th, 2013. Today on CP Reports, a powerful blizzard takes aim at Northeastern United States. GlaxoSmithKline vaccine ingredient scrutinized for narcolepsy clues. And breasts, buttocks are banned by CBS from the Grammys. Brace yourself, New York, and everyone here in the northeastern United States. A possibly record-setting blizzard is heading for the region, which forecasters warned could drop up to 2.5 feet of snow and bring travel to a halt. Blizzard warnings were in effect from New Jersey through southern Maine, with Boston expected to bear the heaviest blow from the massive storm. The day was expected to begin with light snow, which is true for NYC so far, with winds picking up and snow getting much heavier by this afternoon. New York City officials said they had 1,800 Sanitation Department trucks ready to respond to the storm. Airlines have already canceled more than 3,200 flights to and from the affected region, and Amtrak has canceled many trips in the Northeast corridor. Some states are warning motorists not to drive once the storm hits. Stay safe, everyone. Mounting evidence of a link between GlaxoSmithKline's Pandemrix flu shot and a spike in narcolepsy cases among children in Europe is putting one of the vaccine's key ingredients, AS03, under intense scrutiny. The ingredient is one of a class of pharmaceuticals known as adjuvants or boosters designed to turbocharge the potency of a vaccine and the body's immune response to it. If it is the reason for the spike in the disease, researchers think it may be because the adjuvant strength boosted not just the good immune response, but possibly an adverse one too. Pandemrix is currently not licensed in the United States. CBS is asking stars to please keep their butts and breasts neatly covered at the Grammy Awards this Sunday. The network requests that buttocks and female breasts are adequately covered for the televised awards show. The memo sent out Wednesday also warned against see-through clothing, exposure of the genital region, and said that thong-type costumes are problematic. It's always tempting to want something that you can't have, but we are guessing CBS had become a little paranoid after broadcasting the infamous 2004 Super Bowl halftime show that included Janet Jackson's wardrobe malfunction. The network was initially fined by the Federal Communications Commission, though the fine was later overturned. The 55th Annual Grammy Awards will be held Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time at Los Angeles Staples Center. I'm Daria Shabbat with Corporate Profile. Make sure to visit our website at corporateprofile.com for more top headlines from around the world, as well as interesting business profiles. Post your comments, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.